Following, we guide you step-by-step through the installation of your QuoVadis Signing Service. For this purpose, you need to have your computer or laptop and mobile phone available. Please make sure that you are entitled to install software on your computer or laptop and that you have received an instruction email from QuoVadis, an email from SafeNet, and an SMS from QuoVadis. Let's begin. Before starting, you must first download the TrueSign V software and install it on your computer. This software makes your certificates available to your computer later on. Now click on Quick Guide in the instruction email you received from QuoVadis. This opens a PDF containing the download link and further information. Start the download by clicking on the download link. You can now continue with the installation. To do so, open the email you have received from SafeNet directly on your mobile phone because you need to install the Mobile Pass app. You will need this app later on to use your QuoVadis signing service. It assures your strong two-factor authentication. Click on the link in the email. A SafeNet website opens. Now, click on the orange icon to install the Mobile Pass app on your mobile phone. After installing the app, please return to the SafeNet website. Please scroll down and click on the Enroll Your Mobile Pass Token link. The Mobile Pass app opens. Click on Activate. Your email address is automatically used as your profile name. Now, enter a personal OTP PIN and memorize this PIN. Confirm the OTP PIN. A passcode is then displayed to show that the Mobile Pass app has been successfully activated. In a final step, you must link the TrueSign V PC software, which you downloaded and installed previously, with your certificate. To do so, open the TrueSign V client via Windows Start TrueSign V. Click on Add. Your login data consists of your email address, the OTP PIN which you have defined previously when installing the Mobile Pass app, and the automatic passcode generated by clicking on your email address, respectively profile name in the Mobile Pass app that you installed on your mobile phone. Please note, the automatic passcode is only valid for a short time. Once that time has elapsed, you will have to generate a new passcode by clicking on your email address in your Mobile Pass app. To define your personal certificate password, please mark your certificate on the left and select Change Password on the right. Then enter the matching transport code for the particular certificate. You have received the transport code by SMS from QuoVadis. Please note that one transport code was sent for each certificate. Depending on which QuoVadis signing service variant you have ordered, you either receive a transport code for the qualified signature certificate and/or separately another code for the authentication certificate. Please memorize the newly defined password. You will need it again when you go on to use the QuoVadis signing service to activate each of your digital signatures. Your QuoVadis signing service has been successfully installed and can now be used. www.quovadis.ch